Good morning everyone and welcome to today's daily update. Hope you're all doing very well as always. We have done a small bottom here. We did a bit of a rise really from this bottom. Not the best target at all since we've made this low right here. We're going to of course cover the order flow and everything today. But yeah, so first of all, let's go on the levels and we're going to cover all of this after that with the waves and everything really. So I have done a video yesterday, telling you, well, this is not the time really for a long and extra. Like I said, it can change, it may change. It depends really like the time. For now, no fail option. As I said, these are still just the best data at the moment we've got, to be fair. Now we've got a retest, we've planned something, so that's why as always make sure if you didn't join the Discord server, make sure to join it, because this is where I'm going to post everything really first of all. And this, for example, was a target I gave yesterday, one of the targets, because I've got two targets really, was a view up with a path control, but yes, it was really high for a long trade. Personally, in any case, it was bad for a long trade. And so the other target really was simply get this uptrend value area low plus the 6.86%. And so we've got a bounce in, we've just got a touch really of this value area low of this uptrend, and from here we got a nice reversal. So that's pretty cool. Now the only thing we need to see is if we confirm a 5 waves or if we stay like this with a correction to the upside. If we have some 5 waves to the upside, well, it's more likely next a bigger A, B, C, and maybe on the retrace we're finally going to get some trap shows and some better data from the absorption lows. And so yeah, ABC zigzag, so a bigger correction to go more down, but still a retracement to push higher, or a bigger impulsive to really get a bigger push to the upside. But first of all, let's focus here on the level chart. So first of all, we do have one daily, by the way. So I'm gonna take this, wrong key, perfect, no, let me set that, here we go, nice. Now we can go on the footprint chart that is here. We have no naked session path control, we have one above here, 45.50. Done already, so there are no naked session path controls. Why is TPO 39014? Look at the 15 minutes here. Let's take this 39014. Nice. We can remove all of this now. Well, this too. And so we have a daily naked path control right here. 38.913. So let's take this, DNPOC. I can't remember what was the price here. Yeah, 930. Okay. Nice. Okay, so perfect, no difference, so we're good with this. Well, before to cover the order flow, I'm gonna go on the chart very quick, to just give you all the levels and everything, really explain you a bit all of this. So let's first of all make sure this one is well placed so we can get really the good values. Right here, and if I pull it like that, see there a big difference. Yes, but I don't like this one. No, I don't like this one. All right. So the thing is here, for the moment, we ended up here with a swing for part of this top really. Can we explain really to go that high, if we can say that, simply because we've got, some few shorts there coming in yesterday. Again, it's only 4 million, 2 million, 3 million, and this was not at all, as you can see here on the very bottom of the move. It was really during the drop, so this normally is classed as a healthy drop really, okay, if this is not getting absorbed, or the volume was increasing here and nothing got absorbed here, okay. So yeah, that's not the best data ever for a reversal, but yeah, sometimes, even on the low here, you've got so no absorption at all, but no trap shorts on the bottom, so it's okay. And it was on the first rise, on the first rise here, the data was more bearish than bullish, and you've got some bullish reaction, but the thing is, it was limited time more likely getting absorbed, and you still got the rise and the continuation higher. That's why it was really complex to long this. And There's some data missing here, no? It seems really high, no? Oops. Okay. Wait, what's the price at the bottom here? Alright. Anyway, so yeah, this was the data really on the bottom here. It's not the best, but yeah, that's why we get the retest. And this is much safer in my opinion to long this. But in any case here, the whole stuff there was not crazy, to be honest with you. And well, this was something to take in any case, really. But you know, we'll see if we manage to get a continuation or not. But this was not the best low ever, to be honest. But anyway, let's come back here on the levels. So for the moment, we ended up here, as I said, with a swing through a pan. Okay, if we manage to reclaim all of this, we can simply look for the next target. So next target here is really coming around. So I'll more likely take this high now, by the way. This one right there. This will be really the first resistance above if you manage to get acceptance really a bit high here. Okay. Sorry. Just right here, so to speak, if we don't just swing through a pan the top, okay, and we really get a move to the upside here really into the zone of price, well, this will be the first resistance really where we can look for a possible short trade, for a possible reversal. If we manage to reclaim all of this, get no swing through the the top here and fail auction, we're simply going to look for another continuation increase in price into this value high right here with all the top right there, plus a naked session path control value low level here. And yeah, if we manage to reclaim all of this, we can look for the daily really up to the highs with a naked session path control and a daily naked path control. Sorry for the noise in the background. And if there is no swing through power fail auction of this, we're going to look for this high here to be taken. Remember, there is an MC strategy just above here, okay, so it can bring us with another swing through power of this or a fail auction. And if we manage to break this, we're simply going to look here for the weekly naked path control with the TPO, so to speak. We'll have this first target, this second, this second target right here. That's yeah, it's a bit high, but anyway. And we have then this the highs really, I mean this high right here, okay, the third target really. So first, second, third, and next we'll have of course like all the big levels above. So really apologies for the noise in the background. So yeah, we can get a power control level here with all the high right here to take, and well, this is more, I mean these are more some levels really to use here for a swing through pan here or fail auction really, so we get acceptanceable, spend some time going to the levels, really start forming something really bearish on the order flow and come back down. Okay, so it's more like a swing through pan or fail auction of this top really. Okay, yeah, and if we manage to get acceptance above this, well, I'm gonna say it really quick, but just have to look here for this. I remove this one. So for this fixed range with this path control and this value are high here with a weekly in with the top right here, so swing through, you know, it was a short trade there. If you got a first short trade really above here with a swing through pan, path control, weekly value are high, and if we manage to reclaim all of this, we can simply look for a nice increase in price into this weekly negative path control here with all the highs here to take on a lower time frame. And if we manage to break this, we can look for this weekly level swing through pan right there, path control by the way, and this is reclaimed, new high is made. So let's remove this too, and we are good really now with the uptrend, with the levels. We know exactly where we have to look for a trade. Step by step, we have all the levels, the confluence. The only thing we need to do here to set some of that, it's already done, and so when it rings really, we come to the chart, check the order flow. If this is bullish, bearish, sorry, here, we take a short trade. If this is not bearish, we just remain patient for better data, or wait for higher prices to come. Simple as that, really. So now, to the downside, first of all, we have this swing through path, that bottom right here to be aware of. We have the value low of the previous downtrend, plus the daily level. Again, for me, it's a bit high to take a long trade. It's like, you know, the view up yesterday here on the retrace, it was a bit high, so I waited for the value low here. Like I said, you can look for this, it can bounce here. This is a target we'll have to be aware of as a scalper really, because it's more a scalp entry here. But yeah, I'd prefer to go here, and this is the best target really. So here is the same. We can go here, bounce from here, because we have the value low here. That is an important target. But now we'll prefer really, if we have to make a retest or something, I'll prefer to go into there, into these levels, plus, you know, all the lows here to take, maybe even these ones. all of this zone really of price that can bring us with a possible long trade setup. Again, if we manage to go there, we have to see also like the time what's going on really on the order flow, what's happening really, if we have some good long data or not. But it can bring us with something like this if we manage, for example, to get a wave 1 here, a wave 2, 3, 4, another wave 5, maybe up here, maybe just one more new high here with another swing through pan, bring us next with a possible bigger A, B, C zigzag really, okay, or impulsive correction to go more down, or as always bigger wave 1, 2, 3 or 5, bigger push to the upside. Okay, so yeah, that is a plan right now really. Okay, that'd be cool to get some trap shorts at some point. Not gonna for the moment we have no one was bearish really on the bottom except some few millions, but it was during the drop here and it was classed normally as strong, except it's getting absorbed and it was not getting absorbed. So yeah, not the best data ever. And well, yeah, now if we have to break this, by the way, if we go to was about to switch to move directly on the wave, but no, we have to cover. So if we have to drop from here, so if we have to fall from here, we can simply look. So of course, so as I said, so for the first support here really before possible, but a bit too high for me, so we'll prefer this. Just gonna double check something like this. Okay. Well, now let's prefer to go into the Valderalo here. Yeah, this is still my preferred target if I have to retrace really. So here, in any case, if I have to go more down from here and get lose the swing through pound level here really, okay, and get no swing through pound the low or fail auction, we're simply going to look for the first big support we have planned below. If we don't fail auction, really the bottom there, so to speak, between the 37,700 down to the swing through pound fail auction of this bottom right here. If there is not, bam, big drop into this weekly negative path control and swing through pound level. If this is not holding, there is no swing through pound or fail auction. We're simply going to see a nice drop into this value low and path control. Okay, again, I want to see the level of the waves while approaching these two levels, because again, this is a really important SR zone, and we can also get a very quick move inside there to get acceptance back below and then flip to resistance and everything. Okay, so yeah, these are the main targets for the moment. Not really useful to go more down. If you want to go and really see every single target until, I mean, down to 0, for example, you can simply go on the website, create an account for free, go into the member section here, exclusive TAs, and you will be able to find this nice Bitcoin high time frame technical analysis. You just have to switch, I mean, to go directly here to 55 minutes around there if you want to just keep all the TAs really what I'm doing, so you don't really care. Just if you want to learn, well, there is all the TAs. If there is 55 minutes of TAs, so you can see really exactly how I'm doing everything. But if you want to skip all this, just go to 55 minutes, and you will get above and below. You have everything really in this video, and it's free. So yeah, now above we are done, below we are done. So let's move on the wave. On the wave, nothing changed so much, to be fair. I just have done a smaller wave count yesterday of this drop, so to speak. Here we have some really nice wave again. This is really insane, to be fair. The wave we're getting these days, it's pretty decent. I mean, this is I'm going to explain why. It's simply because here, for example, you have a 5 waves, you have a correction. Here we have a regular wave 2. After a regular wave 2, you expect to make a regular wave 4. So to speak, as a wave 4, so to speak, when you have a wave 2 that is stopping between the 56.86%, you're going to expect a wave 4 that is going to retrace between the 23.6 and the 50%. Well, if you pull a retracement tool here, you can clearly see that we reach almost 6.86%. So we stop clearly here. You can see on the wave 2 target really. Okay, so this is normally a wave 2 target. We have done this really before, and we do this next. So this is, first of all, this is a really rare case. Then what's happening? We'll have a triple wave to the downside. If we start a wave 5 with a triple wave to the downside, because here we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 50%, 50%. First of all, this is not the best at all. And from here, we have a wave 5 here with a triple wave down. So if we have a wave 5 with a triple wave down, what it means is that we have an ending start, so to speak here, ABC, wave 1, wave 2, ABC, wave 3, wave 4, the top is here on the RSI, so we take this top, and then we'll have another 5 waves, correction 5 waves, so ABC, and so that from the wave 5. So you have a nice 1, 2, 3, or 5 like this, bam, with a wave 2 regular, wave 4 not regular, really rare, really, and then we have a massive ending here. That is, look at this shape, this is terrible, really. So yeah, really good wave these days. Not gonna lie, after all of this right here with some truncated everywhere and stuff like that, I mean, possible truncated, I mean, terrible, but well, let's just get acceptance with this, and that's it, really. That's why I say that I'm more going to trade the levels than the wave, because of this, really. With what we've got before, it's I'm not even surprised, to be fair. But yeah, this is in my opinion really interesting to see that it can be sometimes different than the theory, really. On the chart, it can look a lot different, you know, when you're going to learn some nice and easy 5-way like this. Well, it can be really different, and you can see now there are some rare cases, there are all of this, and yeah, in my opinion, it's interesting still to get this. It's a good reminder that we don't do all the time some high probability stuff and some good wave, really, in terms of shape and yeah, of probability. But anyway, so yeah, still the same here, to be fair. First of all, we can take this impulsive here wave 5 with the ending, so now we just need to see if we invalidate or not this wave 4, sorry, here. If we, I mean, what is the invalidation? If the wave 4 of course breaks the wave to top right here, and otherwise we can simply check the RSI on different time frames. Really just have to switch between the different time frames, and we're going to be able to get an answer here. If we manage to break this top here, well, this is not valid anymore, and we are less likely in this anymore. And so in that case, what we can take here more likely is the leading, really. So a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this. And so if we have such leading to the downside, we can simply look next for a bigger A, B, C zigzag first of all. And if we really have to get a massive drop here, we take a bigger impulsive to the downside. Okay, but we can take such configuration if, for example, we are done with the leading, because with the leading here, well, normally it will be more like this: 5 waves, correction, 5 waves, correction, 5 waves. We have the 5 waves in every single wave here, so it's possibly done with such configuration. Okay, like this, so we can get a possible B wave. B wave, we can look for a retrace into the thirds we have playing, you know, with the levels all the way up here. Again, we do not need to go really high for a B wave. We can stop really, if we have to be a really bearish next, for example, and get a really big move to the downside, well, it's not going to go that high. But yeah, we just need to read the order flow into the turrets there and see if there is something to take or not. This is as simple as that, really. And well, if we miss a short, we miss a short, and that's the game, really. But yeah, this is a configuration really we have to take if we get an invalidation on this ending wave 4. Okay, for now I'm still going to look for this, but of course I'm not going to short the wave 4 if there is no reason to do it, right? I'm going to read the order flow, and if there is no reason to short this, and if we get an invalidation on the RSI, for example, because the wave 4 brings the wave to top, well, we take this and we take this, and that's it, really. Okay, now some other configurations I want you to be aware of is simply another configuration where we just take the low, get no reason to bounce, we just get nothing good for a long here at all, and we just keep dropping, just get a nice continuation here. I mean, yeah, that will be for the other configuration, really. But this is something, you know, that will be the ending. Okay, that will be the ending, really. In any case, it will bring us with a rise next, so it's not a real problem. It will just be an ABC, a bit of a different shape, really, configuration with some 5 ways done before. So in that case, if you have the 5 ways, bam, A wave, B, C, it's not the wave 5 like this anymore in there. But yeah, don't really think about this. It's more if we have to drop big from here, that's why I'm showing this scenario. It's more likely this. Okay, if we have to drop really big from here, get some really big red candles here and go to really low territory of plan, or we can take simply here a wave 1, a wave 2, and another wave 1 and another wave 2, and that is right now what we're doing, a wave 2 retracement. Well, we can get, you know, on a lower time frame, if we have some 5 waves up, an ABC zigzag into the wave 2, and from here get a drop, and so normally we should retrace into one of these 2 targets, really, before to get another really big drop in that case if we're in this configuration. This is just in case we have to drop big, you know more likely what to take. Okay, so yeah, I hope that makes sense. But for the moment, let's take, to make it easy, if you're not using it away, for example, for so long, and you're maybe struggling a bit, because these days it's not that easy, I'm not going to lie. Even if we did took the lows and got some invalidation stuff like that, the waves to the downside are really not helping, to be fair. So first of all, you take this invalidation of the wave 4, we take more likely, because the thing is, if we invalidate this wave 4 on the RSI and on the chart, well, this, for example, big drop 2 is not valid anymore. Okay, we cannot look for this because the wave 2 as always cannot also break the wave 1 route on the chart and on the RSI, so it invalidates also this one. So we have just the other ones really remaining, and so we take more likely is leading. And so this your ABC zigzag. I hope that makes sense. If you have any questions, as always, do not hesitate to ask me in the chat. And as always, we're good for today, really. Nothing more to be fair to add on this. I just would like some trap shorts. That's it, really. 25 tomorrow, not today. And yeah, we can maybe do a bit of an order flow reading. While waiting, there are some questions coming in. Bam. I'm just gonna put this here. Nice. So here. I don't know what we've done by the way during the night. Just something I will be aware of. It's this again possible absorption. We need to get the short reaction next really on the order flow, but we do have this possible bearish absorption here. You can see we have this high, so now higher high. Here we have this high and lower high on the CVD. So just be aware of this, okay? It's just something to be aware of in the higher time frame, to not forget really about this. If you're a day trader really and you scalp, don't forget this possible stuff. But again, we need to get the good reactions to reverse that. Maybe to cover yesterday a bit here. Well, I'm gonna go on the 1 minute because we cannot see so much on this. Oops. Right here. So yesterday, so no absorption everywhere, and even on the last low here, we've got no absorption really, just as a really small one here. You can see, so from the low here, higher low, we have a low, lower low here, so really nothing crazy. No any trap shorts down there. I mean, there is nothing really, just liquidations, longs closing, longs getting wrecked really. People trying to catch a knife, and stop out, because we keep taking the lows, take the stop loss and everything. Liquidations, all of this really, but no real fail rate to push the market higher. That's why it was not the best low ever, and this is still not the best low ever, but well, we'll see. What's happened there? So we've got a first rise, not bullish. Second rise, we've got the good long data, okay? On the lower time frame, so it was not on the 1 minute, but on the 10-second chart, 30 seconds if I'm mistaken, the way it came in after that. But you can see here clearly that we have so a high, a low high, right here by the way, low high, and here you have a high. Oh no, not on that one by the way. So what time frame was this? Oh, it was maybe before here then. No, I remember it was here. Yeah, that's it, because I was like, that's weird, yesterday so absorption there. So first of all, you've got this high, higher high, high, lower high. So this is not the best. More obvious, you don't have absorption on the low, so this is not really bullish, and this move was not healthy at all. Then you get a retrace, you come back down almost to the lows, you reclaim, you have a high, lower high, you have a high, higher high. Well, this before is not bullish, this is not bullish, and you still get a continuation. I mean, you get the demand here to push the price higher, you still get the rise. So that's why here the best to do when you have this is to wait for a retest to come. And so that's why yesterday, well, for me this was not bullish at all. Well, sometimes, you know, we still bounce like this because, well, yeah, it's like this, you know. But generally speaking, this is not really bullish. And so yeah, you just have to plan, you just have to wait, let it go really, and just wait for the retest. Remain patient, it's gonna come back at some point. First target, path control view up, nothing good here. It was a really try in any case for me, so even if we had some good data here, to be fair, I'm not sure I will have taken this long. And so you wait for the next target really here, value low plus 6.66%, swing through pan there, and from here you get some better data, to be fair, with some nice absorption directly coming, as you can see here, into the target. You have this low, 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 high, low directly coming into the target with, so again, not crazy shorts here, to be fair, but some few ones. Well, you've got also some before it, so if we talk about this, you get 700,000. But yeah, this was still a bit better. You spend a bit more time here. You even form a leading, by the way, on Coinbase and on Bybit. I'm not sure we take this high on. Oh yeah, we do take the high, by the way. But you have a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if you have a 5 waves next, you look for a bigger ABC, so correction to go higher, or wave 1, 2, and here you go 3 or 5. But yeah, so better already. Directly we're approaching this. You have directly absorption. You can see here. You even have some early longs here. You can see coming in from before really, but there is no reason to take the long here. There is no hit. These are just some early longs. So you come back down and you get this nice absorption, and you guys can see some nice demand next coming in, by the way. So yeah, that's pretty cool. That's really cool. Really well respected target here. Bottom not good, so retest is good, and so now, yeah, the only thing I would like for really much higher prices now to really expect high to get really a good bottom will be trap shorts, and for now we don't. So yeah, not be surprised, to be fair, to get another retest to trap some shorts, or even to get a continuation lower here to take the lows to really get some people bearish here, because, well, normally this is what we need to fail the market really to get a reversal, to get a big reversal. I mean, not something small like this for the moment. But anyway, we'll see. So yeah, I don't see any questions right now, so I think we're good. So yeah, thank you all for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Hope this quick order flow review, if you can say it, after first day, the cool information you've got yesterday, really, yeah, is useful. And yeah, I wish you all a brilliant day. Take care, and catch you all in the next one. Cheers.